Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. So today we are going to start exercise 4.2 exercise. Before 4.2 exercise, there are two things which are very important, small topics. Translation of axis. Translation of axis means that if we have हमारे पास एक्स वाई प्लेन है, एक्स वाई कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम. टेक एनी पॉइंट हियर O with H and K. This point we draw two perpendicular lines. This line is parallel to x and this line is parallel to this y axis. So we write this is capital X and this one is capital Y. Now this one and these are the new axes and this is called translation of axis. O prime capital X is parallel to OX and O prime Y is parallel to OY, and capital X is equal to X minus H and capital Y is equal to Y minus K, and capital XY is called translation of small xy, plane or axis. Basically this is a translation of, I have written here this one. So OX capital O prime X is translation of small ox and capital O prime Y is translation of small oy. So this is called translation and I have given the formula: capital X is equal to small x minus h, capital Y is equal to y minus k. Another thing, that is rotation of axis. If we have XY plane, this is a coordinate system, and when we rotate this one x-axis from this point, origin remains there, origin will not change, will not be changed. If I change this x-axis to this one, so this will also be moved to this. So this is capital X now and this is capital Y. So here we have coordinate system small xy and here we have capital XY. We are rotating small xy coordinate system to capital XY. How much rotation we can move? This is less than rotation theta must be in between 0 and 90, not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0 or if it is equal to 90, so that will not be rotation, that will remain the same. वो वही एक्स वाई रहेगा, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं आएगी. अगर 0 एंगल होगा या 90 डिग्री एंगल होगा, लेकिन अगर 0 और 90 के दरमियान है तो उसको हम कहते हैं रोटेशन. So this is called the rotation of this one. And for this we have a formula: capital X is equal to small x cos theta plus y sin theta, and capital Y is equal to y cos theta minus x sin theta. And theta is the rotation, how much rotate, ये जो हम रोटेट कर रहे हैं इसको, ये कितना रोटेट कर रहे हैं हम इसको. सो the 2 points of P and O prime are given the XY coordinate system. Find the capital XY coordinates of P. Refer to the translation of axis of this one. So here small xy are given, and this one is h k. Oh, sorry. This is given. We have to find capital X and capital Y, coordinates of capital X and capital Y. Since capital X is equal to x minus h, that is x minus capital Y is 2, k is, hence the new xy coordinates are 2 and minus 1. So this is the question number 1, and this type of questions we can easily find by this method. And in question number 2, the same opposite of this one almost. The coordinates axes are translated through the point O prime. It is given कि translate हो रहा है. Whose coordinates are given in XY coordinate system? The coordinates of P are given in capital XY coordinate system. Find the coordinates of P in small xy. So इसमें P 8, 10, O prime 3, 4. So here capital X is given, capital Y is given, and H is 3, K is equal to 4. We have to find small x, small y. Since here if capital X is equal to small x minus h, तो x क्या हो जाएगा? कैपिटल X प्लस h हो जाएगा. प्लस 3, 11, and y 10 plus 4, that is 14. Hence the coordinate xy, small xy coordinates are 11 and 14. These are the coordinates. इसी तरह the small xy coordinate axes are rotated about the origin through the indicated angle. Angles are given. The new axes are O capital X and O capital Y. Find the capital XY coordinates of the point P are given. So here five 3 and theta is equal to 45 degree. So here small x, small y are given, and theta is also given, and we have to find capital X, capital Y. Since capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta, so putting the values 5 cos 45 degree plus y 3 sine 45 degree. That is 5 into 1 over square root of 2 plus 3 1 over square root of 2. 5 over square root of 2 plus 3 over square root of 2, that is 8 by square root of 2. और इसको आप रैशनलाइज कर लो तो आपके पास आ जाएगा 4 into square root of 2. Rationalize, how to rationalize? So ये 2 रह जाएगा और 2 और 4 8 के साथ कैंसिल होकर ये आ जाएगा. So this is capital X and capital Y is equal to Y cos theta minus X sin theta. So here Y is 3 cos 45 minus X 5 sin 45 degree. So 3 into 1 over square root of 2 minus 5 to 1 over square root of 2. So 3 over square root of 2 minus 5 over square root of 2, that is minus 2 by square root of 2. So it is minus square root of 2. Hence the capital XY coordinates are 4 into square root of 2 and minus square root of 2. So this is the way how to solve this formula is there. Otherwise question तो simple सा है. In question number 4 part 1, the small xy coordinate axes are rotated about the origin through the indicated angle and the new axes are capital OX and capital OY. Find the small xy coordinates of P with the given capital XY coordinate. Now capital XY are given. Theta is equal to 30 degree. Here capital XY are given and we have to find small xy. Since capital X is equal to small x cos theta plus y sin theta, so here capital X is minus 5 x cos 30 y sin 30. So what is the value of sin 30 and cos 30? This is x square root of 3 by 2 plus y 1 by 2. R square root of 3 x plus y is equal to minus 10, question number 1. And capital Y is equal to y cos theta minus x sin theta. So 3 y cos 30 minus x sin 30. So it is y cos 30 is square root of 3 by 2. So here we can write square root of 3 y minus x is equal to 6. This 2 we take on other side. So here we have, this is equation number 2. This is, we have equation 1, this one is equation number 2. Multiplying equation 2 by square root of 3 and adding in equation number 1. Directly I am writing. So आप जब इसको square root of 3 से multiply करोगे तो 3y रह जाएगा minus square root of 3x 6 into square root of 3. So here square root of 3x plus y is equal to minus 10. Cancelled. 4y is equal to 6 into square root of minus 10. or y is equal to 3 into square root of 3 minus 5 divided by 2. This is y coordinate. Putting y in equation number equation 2 or equation 1, whatever. So if equation number 2, so square root of 3 into square root of 3 minus 5 divided by 2 minus x is equal to 6, or when we multiply it, so it becomes 9 minus 5 into square root of 3 divided by 2, or 9 5 into square root of 3 minus 2x is equal to 12, or 2x is equal to 9 minus 5 square root of 3 minus 12. Take this value on other side, and 12 is here. So 2x is equal to minus 3 minus 5 into square root of 3, or x is equal to minus 3 minus 5 into square root of 3 divided by 2. So this is small x coordinate. Hence small xy coordinates are 3 plus 5 into square root of 3 divided by 2 and 3 into square root of 3 minus 5 divided by 2. So these are the coordinates of small xy. Thank you very much.